Good morning. Here we are, Friday, the 8th of November, and we're trading futures live. So, as always, I like to trade between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. GMT. And let's have a quick look at the chart, shall we? So, as always, I'm always tired of doing the show at this time. But yeah, I do like to trade this time, especially on gold in the futures market, and I like to trade on the M5 time frame. So you can see on the ticker below, we will be running the strategy for you guys. So yeah, as you can just see, so we're trading gold live on the 5-minute chart. What we do, patiently wait for the price to come back to us. So just, I call it fishing, right? Just have to be patient and you have to wait. We're looking for a flag signal. We're looking for a break of the Heikin-Ashi. We're just making sure there's no support and resistance or supply and demand in the way. And then what I am looking at is, rather than having multiple charts open, I actually have the trend direction here on the bottom. So we can see at the moment from M1 to M30, we're showing a downward trend. So if a buy opportunity did present itself, I probably wouldn't take the trade just based on the trend. We always say the trend's your friend until it's not. But at the moment, yeah, we can see we're moving down. And we got this support or point of interest here. Then we got quite a strong support or demand level. So what we might be looking at this morning is something like this. And as always, I'm just looking for 30 ticks profit, 30 ticks stop. So really, I'm just scalping on the M5. So I'm not looking for massive trades off of big winners. Yeah, we could see the price take out this this point of interest or this lower low here. We could see a push down to this demand level of 26.95. So I'm not going to jump into any trades. I'm just going to be patient. We have got to break a structure here as well, which we broke through. We came back, we retested that level, and now we're pushing down. We can see now we're creating a new low for the just as we tail out of the Asian session. So as always, I'm going to enjoy my coffee, probably put myself on mute for 5 minutes. I'm just going to watch the price, and I'm going to wait for that price to come to us. Around 6:30, Mandela will be joining us. We'll run through today's high impact news, and we'll just quickly give our final opinions on the election. It's done, it's dusted. It's time to move on, and it's time to trade. So yeah, I think we're going to take out. I think we are going to take out this demand level here. I think we are going to create a new Asian low before we have that little gap before the London Open. But at the moment, I'm not really looking to trade. My next opportunity, we could see a sell come in actually. So we might take a sell if we get that opportunity. But like I said, I've got, rather than having multiple charts open, just got this clever little indicator here is telling me that the trend from M1 up to M13 is telling me that we're in a downward trend. So let's put on some music and sit back, enjoy my coffee, and let the price come to us. Yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment. Just sort of like prepping the chart ready. Just like to put my profit and target on, just to make sure, as I always say, that when we get our take profit, we got enough wiggle room before we hit the support or this demand level here. We could be looking at a sell. I think we are going to take this demand level out here. Got a lower low. I think we're going to create, well, we are going to create a newer lower low. We've actually got a structure here, so we could be seeing a break of structure. So we could be looking at a potential short. I don't really want to rush into a trade this morning. We've had a good week on the 100k combined account with TopStep. So I don't want to trade for the sake of trading. What I might do is, if we get a trade in between 6 and 8, I might just do a quick YouTube short of me taking the trade like I done yesterday. Seems to work quite well on YouTube. Got a couple of views. A little bit of clickbait, you know, $1,000 in 10 minutes, but that was the truth of it. But people seem to like those videos. And yeah, I don't want to rush. I always preach about patience, and that's what we need to have. But yeah, we could be setting up for a sell. Yeah, we got some nice downward movement here, but we are mindful we broke a trend line, and we do seem to be consolidating from, well, 2700 up to 2703. So yeah, there we are. That demand level's gone. What I will be looking at is we're going to break a structure here. Can the price really just open below this break of structure? We could be seeing a downward move. So as you can see, the price is pushing down. What it's doing is it's giving me not such a great opportunity to enter. It's actually pushing my take profit down, and I want my take profit around this demand level here. I think we will see a rebound or rejection on this level at, what are we looking at, 2695. So yeah, let's see where the next candle opens. Potentially we could be taking a sell. So we got TopStep ready. Make sure it's the right account. Yes. And yeah, I could be interested in a sell on the next candle. We'll see. Quite mindful, H1 is showing an upward trend, so we just get up. If you was to zoom out, you just see we get a pullback on the H1, but it's quite favorable at the moment. We've got M30, M15, M5 all showing that downward movement. So if you are watching the show, yeah, please jump into the comments, please jump into the chat. As always, if you do watch the video, please give us a like, please subscribe. It does help us with the YouTube algorithm, and it does help us to get our videos out there. And like we say, you know, our mission statement from Signature FX has just been to talk to other traders, try and help other traders if we can, and also help us. You know, if you've got any good advice, you know, we're all ears. Yes, please reach out to us, and while we try and build this community. Yes, we got the sell flag in. We have had a break of structure as well, so it's looking quite favorable. We're showing a downward trend, M1 to M30. Do you know what? I'm going to take this trade, but I'm going to take it at a low contract, I think. Yeah, so I've jumped in this trade on TopStep X, but I've just done a low lot size. We're quite a bit of a distance from that high key level, but we did break the structure. So yeah, I've jumped in this trade just to show you. And if we get to around 23, 24 ticks, we'll get that stop loss into break even. As we do. And yeah, we seem to be having a nice push down. So yeah, we've taken this trade. And yeah, we get that push down. Yeah, potentially I should have taken that with a few more contracts, but we've just jumped on live, and I don't like to jump into trades straight away. Just because you open your charts doesn't mean you take a trade. You have to be patient, you have to wait. But the rationale behind the trade was we had to break a structure here. We got the sell flag in. M1, M5, M15, M30 all showing a downward trend, so that was quite favourable for the strategy that we use. And we are about 66% into profit. Let's have a look where we're at. Now we're 50% into profit, so let's see if this price continues to push down. There we are, 22 ticks. 20. Okay, it's time to get that stop into break even. And yeah, it's a good start to the morning. So happy with that. First trade we've taken straight into our take profit. So yeah, I was a little bit too careful with the contract. I only took one micro contract. So that was a good, but yeah, it looks like a good trade. And I think the next candle is going to push us into that take profit level. So just to show you a little bit of an alternative from the strategy, we're actually mindful of the breaker structure. And 27 ticks, 3 more ticks to go, and we're going to hit our take profit. So let's see if we can get a push down on the next candle. Yeah, we're quite close to that TP. And you can see where our take profit was sitting around that support level. And yeah, we get a pullback, so we might just get into a profitable stop, but that's okay. What I'd be looking at now is taking a buy next. And let's just see if we can get a push down. Yes, looks like we're gonna go up into our profitable stop. That's fine. It was just a break structure trade. And what I'll be looking at next, we go back to trading view, and we'll be looking to get a buy off before 8 a.m. So potentially we go long, and when we do go long, we will take a larger contract size as well.
Order filled.
Yeah, so yeah, we took that trade. We broke the structure. We got a pullback into a profitable stop, and yeah, that's okay. It's not a bad start to the morning. Right, let me just get back to trading view. So yeah, we got to break a structure here. We got the push down. We created a new low here. We got down to just shy of this demand level here, and yeah, as expected, what I'm expecting to see was this. I'm expecting us to test the Heikin-Ashi level and then break through it. So what I'll be interested in next is getting ourselves a buy around this level here. So that's going to be our next trade. So we can see now we got M1 changed to green, but like I said, I'm quite mindful of M1 because it's such a small time frame. You know, the price can flip-flop, it can go red to green pretty quick. But the confirmation will be M5 and M15. I'd like to see all these green. And yeah, the next trade I'm looking to go long, and hopefully we can get a take profit in around 30 ticks around this VWAP level here. But we have what I got, you know, the wiggle room. So from the Heikin-Ashi level up to this supply level here. So we'll see what we can do. And we're just going to have to wait. I'm just going to have to be patient. So I'm just going to finish off my coffee. I'm going to just watch this price, going to be patient, and let's see what happens. So if we hadn't moved our stop, we would be in take profit by now, but I do like to err on the side of caution. So once we get to about 75% take profit, I like to get that stop loss into break even and then just patiently wait for the next trade. So yeah, the next trade I'm looking to go long. Hopefully we can get that trade away by 8 a.m. If not, I'm going to lock the account. I'm I'm in profit for the week. I've actually made good profit on this 100k combined with TopStep. So yeah, I'm in no rush really to trade today. Don't like trading a Friday for some reason. Trades don't really go to plan on the Friday. Seems to be Monday and Tuesday seem to be our best day for getting these trades away. But here we go. We're gonna test that support or that demand level, and let's see if that can hold up. Yes, we test this demand level here. I'm thinking we can get a rejection. We could get a reversal. We can see now we got a new supply level coming in. So that's just reduced our what I call wiggle room for any buys. Yeah, you can see the price is trying to reject here. Yeah, so we got the rejection, 2694.8. It's actually breaking through that level, so we've got a bit of a way to go down next. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so next stop could be 2676. Yeah, it's just bouncing around here at the moment. What I'm hoping to see is a rejection of this level here and a push back up. If we do take out this demand level here, it's a long way down for gold today. So yeah, we're just gonna have to be patient. We're gonna have to wait and see. I'm just gonna, like I say, just carry on my coffee and yeah, the show will liven up in about 5 to 10 minutes time when Mandela comes on. We review the news. But yeah, thanks for anyone who watches these shows. I appreciate it's early in the morning and they can go on for a long time, but this is real life trading. This is what it's about. It's about patience, right? You have to wait for the price to come to you. You have to wait for the price to confirm your strategy. You can't rush the process. I wish I could. Wish I could just trade and go back to bed. But we can't do that. We just have to wait. We have to be patient. And let's see now what happens to this demand level here. Yeah, so we're really testing that level. We got another breaker structure here, so yeah, we're looking quite bearish this morning. And again, if the price breaks below this, potentially there's another sell opportunity. Let's have a quick look. I'm not going to take this trade, but I'm just showing you what we can do. So yeah, breaking the structure, they're quite important. Definitely showing us the downward trend. There's another one here. So potentially, there could be another selling opportunity. It doesn't fit my strategy, so I wouldn't take this trade. We're too far away from where the flag was. But yeah, there's a sell opportunity here. And let's just watch this now to see if we can get into that take profit. But yeah, just to clarify, yeah, I haven't taken this trade. I'm just really showing you what can happen when we start to get a breaker structure. And again, the trend is down from M1, M30, and even on H4. So yeah, if we can maintain this price, if we keep breaking at these levels, we got a long way down. We might not get the trade off this morning. What I'm looking at next is a buy position, but I can't see that coming in at the moment. We're getting a strong move to the downside. We can see our next support level is 2670.8 on the M5. So yeah, it's a long way down. So yeah, I'm just gonna mark the chart up. I'll probably do a quick review later for YouTube. So one trade taken, one profitable stop, and yeah, just paper trading this morning. But yeah, we broke that structure. If we close below that yellow line, which is the breaker structure, we could see another push to the downside. So for myself, I'm looking at for a buy on the TopStep X account. So yeah, we'll just paper trade, and we'll just talk you through some strategies that you can use. But yeah, this isn't ticking the boxes of what I would do normally. The strategy's on the ticker on the bottom. So yeah, just over a minute now. Let's see if this candle can close below this breaker structure. We could see another push to the downside. For myself, our strategy is we're looking for these flags. We trade in once we get a break of the Heikin-Ashi level. So there was a trade this morning at 315, and yeah, we would have hit the stop loss on that. Yeah, we did take this sell. Actually broke below the Heikin-Ashi level. Indication was down. Took that sell. We moved our stop into profit. We actually hit the profitable stop or a break even. And just looking here, we did have a breaker structure. And what I'm looking at is to see if this price can, it's opened below, can it close below the breaker structure? If it does, we could see another push to the downside. And like I said earlier, we got a bit of a way to go, right? So we might not get that buy off by 8 a.m. So yeah, it could be a no trading day today. So we're just paper trading at the moment. We took the trade here. We took that on our TopStep X. And at the moment, I'm just like hypothetically speaking that potentially they could be in a short position here. And yeah, we seem to be respecting this this level here as well. So yeah, nothing to trade at the moment. But as I always say, you know, it's patience. You have to wait for the price to come to you. It has to fit your criteria for your trading strategy. And yeah, you can't just open up the charts first thing in the morning and expect to start trading straight away. You have to be patient. And at the moment, I can't see no sign of that buy coming in. I'd like to get that buy away before 8 a.m. But yeah, we might be in for a bit of a long wait this morning, so I can see myself getting another cup of coffee. when we review the news, and it could be around 7:30 that we look to get into a trade for today. So just go over to TopStep X. Let's just quickly review our challenge. We started it on Friday the 1st. Like I said yesterday, I took a trade on my travels. Took a $26 loss, and got to stick to my own rules, right? Don't trade while traveling. It's really hard to trade from your phone, and especially when you're in and out of like Wi-Fi connection or signal. So on the Monday, we took a $1,300 profit. What I've done, I actually copied my express count to my combine on the Tuesday. So I took one trade, which was a $289 profit. I tried to trade after the election. Yeah, it didn't work at all. So yeah, I took a $500 loss. Yesterday then we took the one trade, which we took a $1,000 profit on. And today we hit a profitable stop. So yeah, at the moment we're 2-1 in profit. So we're about 33% of the way there to passing this challenge. I'd like to get it passed by the 22nd, but I suppose my deadline is the 29th. And then if we can pass by the 29th, and it's a big ask, is then we get onto the 150k combine challenge. So yeah, I'd like to get it passed by this date here if I can, so I can move on to the next. So yeah, we seem to be respecting that breaker structure at the moment. Our paper trade, I think we're just in profit, right? And yeah, just looking at the trends and just looking at the chart, we're going to have a long wait before we can get this buy away. So the way it's looking at the moment, I can't see that happening by 8 a.m. What I am going to do, I am going to lock the account at 8 a.m. and walk away. And yeah, you know, we can come back and fight another day, right? So yeah, we've got our paper trade in. We're what, 30% in profit so far. And yeah, if there's any questions, anything you'd like me to answer, just drop your comments into the chat. I'll do my best to answer. If I can't answer today, I'll do a bit of research and I'll get back to you. And looking forward to Mandela joining us and running through today's news. Yeah, so what I'll try and do is just try and, this is probably going to run for about 2 hours. I'll just try and put it into a 10-minute summary later, so it's a bit easier. But if you are watching, thank you. Thanks for joining. Yeah, please jump in the comments. Let me know who you are. And just let me know what positions you're taking and why. So for myself, I trade the M5, and I'm just waiting for this price really. What I want to see is, I'd like to see it come up, test this Heikin-Ashi level here. It's probably going to pull back, push through. We get in the trade around here, and then try and get out, take profit around this VWAP level for 30 ticks. So that's what I'd like to do, but it's not up to me. It's up to the market, right? So yeah, let's see what we can get. So yeah, this is the trade we took earlier on the TopStep X. Yeah, we would have hit no take profit if I hadn't moved up my stop so early. But once I get to about 75% profit, I like to play it safe. And we got a paper trade here where we actually had a breaker structure. We opened and closed below. Open and close below again. So yeah, this is a paper trade. But for those who study the candlesticks, we actually got a doji here. So, you know, potentially that could be a reversal candle that we're looking at. But because we're on the M5, you know, it's quite hard, you know, to use that as your indicator for a price return. Really, if you want to want some better confirmation, zoom out in your chart. So, you know, get out to the M15, M30, H1, and that can give you the bigger picture of what's going on. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a long morning this morning. So I always say it, just going to put myself on mute. I'm just going to wait for the price to come to us. So it's going to be a slow morning. I don't think Mandela set his alarm clock this morning. So I don't think we're going to get any news. So what we might do is just wait around till about 7 a.m. and I might end the stream. But for myself, what I'm looking at is I'm looking for a reversal, looking to see the trend go upwards, and looking to get a buy position off around the 2700s. You seem to be getting some sort of support here as well with the price. So yeah, I just think it's just going to be a long morning. We're just going to have to wait. So I'm gonna go and get myself a coffee. You're more than welcome to watch the charts, and I'll be back on once we get a little bit of a momentum. So yeah, we're starting to get a little bit of a reversal here on the price. So yeah, this could be the move that we're starting to look for. I did say earlier about this doji candle here. Doesn't really hold much strength for me on an M5. If we were seeing that on the M15, M30, I'd pay more attention. But yeah, we're getting a good push on the price back up. And what I'm going to look to see is I'd like to see the price break through this Heikin-Ashi level here. I'd like to see M5, M15 turn green to show us we've got a bullish trend, and I would be interested in taking a buy. But got my rules, so I'll be waiting for the buy flag to present itself, break above the Heikin-Ashi level, and then looking to take the next candle. I don't like to buy or sell when the flag comes in. Reason being is that the price can move. This does repaint, so I like this to be firmly in on the next candle. So you're gonna have to wait, and hopefully we can get a buy before 8 a.m. 8 a.m. I'm just going to lock myself out of the account. We'll be back on Monday. I'm quite mindful that we have got a resistance level or supply level here, so that will act as resistance. So if we break through here, we could be looking at something like that, right? We could push up, reject here, get pulled back down, then the push through. think we got another 15 to 20 minute wait before this buy opportunity presents itself. Yes, while we're waiting, let's just jump over to the TopStep dashboard. So yeah, as we can see, we're on our 100k challenge. I find it hard to call it the combine for some reason, so yeah, it's called the 100k challenge. So we're sitting at 102, so yeah, we're 33% of the way there. So yeah, 2k of the 6k profit. Best day has been $1,300, worst day 513. So our average winning day is 880 and average losing day is 269. So have a little look at our equity curve. So what I didn't realize was on the 50k challenge you get a 2k drawdown. So I automatically thought it'd be 4k. On 100k it's not, it's actually 3. So that's quite clever from TopStep. Yes, they're not giving you as much wiggle room as I thought. So I'll keep that in mind. I'll be quite mindful of my contract sizes from today. And where are we at? So trading micro gold, and at the moment, yeah, 60% win rate. So for every 10 trades we win in 6. So yeah, happy with that. And we got a reward to risk ratio of 2.6 to 1. So yeah, it's pretty favorable. I'm just mindful of this. I didn't realize it was 3k. Yeah, for some reason I thought it was 4. So I'll be quite interested to see what we get on the 150k challenge. Is it going to be 5k or is it going to be 4 drawdown? So it might take you longer to pass the larger challenges than what I thought. So yeah, I'm quite mindful of that. And at the moment, this price isn't doing nothing, so it's going to be a long morning. Looks like it's going to be quite drawn out today to try and get a trade. We're sitting quite good in profit for this week on 2k, so I'm not going to be in a rush to take a trade. But the next trade I'm going to take is going to be a buy, and I just want to see this price push up, get that buy flag in and break this high key level here. Quite mindful that we got resistance or supply level here, like a point of interest. So yeah, we can be quite cautious on the next trade. So yeah, we'll just run into the news for today.
Today's high-impact economic events for futures trading include the following. 1. Crude oil inventories report, 10:30 am. This weekly report from the U.S. Energy Information Administration provides crucial insights into crude oil supply levels, impacting crude oil futures and potentially influencing broader energy sector trends. 2. German factory orders and Eurozone services PMI data, early morning ET, released this morning. German factory orders showed a positive shift, signaling potential strength in European markets. The final Eurozone services PMI also offers insight into the economic health of the service sector in major European economies, affecting euro currency pairs and Eurozone-linked commodities. 3. Upcoming speeches from central bank officials. ECB President Christine Lagarde's remarks at 9 am ET could influence the euro and related assets, while Canada's Ivy PMI release at 10 am ET might impact CAD-based trades. Later, the US will have a 30-year bond auction at 1 p.m. ET, which is watched closely for shifts in bond yields that could influence the broader market. These events collectively provide significant information for Forex and futures traders, influencing decisions related to currencies, commodities, and bonds. For real-time updates and a detailed economic calendar, resources like Forex Factory and investing.com can be very helpful. 27 source, 28 source.
So thanks ChatGPT for today's news. So yeah, hopefully I will be out in the markets by then. I'm gonna lock the account at 8 o'clock and get on with my day. So yeah, patiently waiting for this by what's the time now? It's 7 a.m. So we've got an hour left of our trading window. So yeah, if we don't see that shortly, we'll probably end the stream, and we'll be back on Monday at 6 a.m. I'll probably put today's video into a summary for those who don't want to painfully sit through 2 hours of waiting for some price action. And yeah, we're just getting no movement at the moment. So I'd like to see. I want to take a buy trade. That's what I'm patiently waiting for. And yeah, we need to see a break above the Heikin-Ashi level. I'd like to see the buy flag in, and I would like to see M5 to M15 showing a bullish trend. We're not getting that at the moment, so just gonna have to be patient, sit in our hands and wait. And yeah, let's see if we can get that trade off before 8 a.m. this morning.
One hour later.
Yes, we're still waiting. I'm getting bored myself, so yeah, I'm gonna get myself a coffee, and yeah, we're just gonna wait for this price to come to us. So not the most exciting of mornings, just a typical Friday, to be honest. I'm just gonna wait for this buy. If it doesn't come before 8 a.m., I'm gonna lock myself out of the account and get on with my day. So for those who are watching, thanks very much. But this is trading, right? This is real life trading. You have to be patient. You have to wait for the price to come to you. And yeah, we could be seeing, for the Forex traders or for the larger time frame traders, we could be seeing a nice move down today for you. And yeah, I've just switched over to Bitcoin. So what are we looking at? 76. So that's Bitcoin's looking good, right? Yeah, we've broken out this consolidation here. What have we got Bitcoin on? Let's actually get it onto a better chart. Yeah, some projections here around the 85k. Wow, that's For those Bitcoin hodlers and investors, it's looking good for you guys, right? Let's have a quick little zoom out. Yeah, Bitcoin's bullish. Yeah, it's looking good. So yeah, if you're holding your Bitcoin, congratulations, well done. I think it's well deserved as well. I think some of the crypto hodlers have had the most patience over the last, what has it been, 7 years? I think I've been looking at crypto since 2017. So yeah, well done to those who are holding their crypto bags. I think it's well deserved. Don't forget to take some profits. It's good to reward yourself. You can always get back in. I think we will get a pullback in the market for sure. The markets can't just go one way. And for myself, I'm just erring on the side of caution. I think the dollar will get stronger next year, certainly 2026. So don't be surprised if we do see a pullback on the crypto markets. But congratulations, crypto boys, you've done really well, and it's well deserved. Yeah, so let's just go over to an unofficial coffee break, and yeah, we'll be back in about 3 minutes. Okay, we are back. Yeah, so like I said, I was hoping to get a buy, but we've been here now for 1 hour. Nothing happening. What I will say, we did have that paper trade here where we broke the structure, and yeah, we would let me put my teeth back in. Yeah, we'd be in to take profit by now. So, yep. So we took a sell here. We pulled back, hit a profitable stop. We paper traded a sell here, and yeah, the price has continued pushing down. It's just one of those days, right? Yeah, nothing presenting itself. I would like to get myself a buy position if I could, but it's just not happening. We're pushing down, and yeah, we got a long way down, right? So our next support levels here around 2671. So it's going to be a long morning. I can't see us getting a trade off by 8 o'clock. I'm going to lock myself out of the account. Yeah, I'll get back on Monday. So yeah, nothing really happening today. What can I talk about? I suppose I can talk about, if I can find it, Fast Track Trades. They were a new prop firm for futures trading. I think they were around about 6 months ago, and they were an instant funding model. And the CEO, great guy, right? Starts a company, buys himself a Ferrari. He's posting on Twitter, you know, all the Rolex watches he's been buying. And yesterday they done a rug pull. So he's deleted his Twitter account, he's deleted Discord, and it looks like he's run off with everyone's money. So yeah, just be careful out there if you're trading futures. If the company seems too good to be true, they probably are. So the only company I'll recommend at the moment is TopStep. Anyone else, yeah, I wouldn't touch them with a barge pole. I am going to look at my funded futures next. They've been in the space for a couple of years now, so we could take a look at them, but let's get funded with TopStep first. I know TopStep pay. I actually know people that's been paid out with them, people who are actually trading with them. TopStep as well, they've been quite interactive with our posts on X. I can't get used to calling it X, it's just Twitter for me, right? So yeah, they've been quite interactive. They've been around for 10 years plus. And yeah, we just need to be really careful with these companies out there. If they're too good to be true, they normally are. So yeah, if you want any information on prop firms, reach out to myself or Mandela. We'll get back to you and we'll just give you our opinion. So yeah, fast track trades, yeah, they've gone, they've disappeared, they've done a massive rug pull. And yeah, it looks like this guy's made off with potentially millions of dollars of people's investment. So yeah, it's terrible. One of the other companies starts with A, rhymes with Flex. I'd also stay away from them. I passed 250k challenges with those guys. Got up to 9k on each account, requested a payout of 6k, just ignored my ticket and locked me out of the accounts. No correspondence, no nothing. And I still see people, influencers, promoting them on Twitter, but I would stay away from that company as well. They seem to change the rules every month as well, just to make it harder for traders. And if you do get to a payout, they're actually asking for a video of you at your keyboard placing trades. Never heard nothing like it, to be honest. So yeah, any excuse not to pay the traders out. So if you're going to trade futures, there's no shortcuts, and I strongly recommend that you trade with TopStep. Okay, so we're not getting any movement. Looks like we're not going to get that buy position. So I'll put myself on mute. I'll run this stream up till 8 o'clock. And then I think I'm gonna jump out. So my ex Twitter, I'm gonna pop it in the chat. It's at Andrew Earl 911. So yeah, if you need to get hold of me, drop me a message on Twitter. You can get hold of me there. And then if you want to speak to Mandela and myself, it's at Signature FX. So yeah, we'd appreciate the follows. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. So yeah, here's our Twitter. So yeah, please give us a follow, and yeah, drop me a message. Any questions you may have, happy to answer. And as always, if I can't answer straight away, I'll go away and I'll do some research and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. But yeah, anything fundamentals, yeah, address it to Mandela. He's the fundamental guy. He has a better technical analysis than myself, especially on the longer term trades. But yeah, reach out to the two of us, and we're happy to chat with you and to help you if we can. So yeah, it looks like we're not going to get this buy position. Price is just pushing down. Would have had, yeah, if we held on to this sell here, yeah, we would have had a nice trade, but hindsight, right? So, trading is not about hindsight. It's not about gambling. So, for myself, I have a certain set of rules which I do my best to follow. I will say, I'm not totally disciplined. I'm probably about 80% of the way there. Sometimes emotion does get the better of you, and you take a trade that you really shouldn't have taken, and you don't follow your rules, and you either get lucky, hit your take profit, or you hit your stop. So if you do have a trading plan, please stick to it. And yeah, I'm just going to patiently wait for this buy-in opportunity, but it's just not coming in at all. So we've got a real nice downward movement at the moment. So yeah, I'd just like to say Sarif Badza, thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry there's no trades this morning, but it's not me, it's the price, right? That's all we can do is be patient and wait for the price to come to us. So yeah, nothing this morning. But if you want to follow us on Twitter, that will be appreciated. And I'll just put our Twitter handles back up. Yeah, thanks for that. Any questions, yeah, just send me a DM and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Again, apologies for this morning. There's just nothing happening, but that's trading, right? You have to be patient and you have to wait. So yeah, we're over an hour into it now. There's nothing really happening, so I might just end the stream and I'll be back Monday morning at 6 a.m. So hi Sarif, yes, I am funded. I'm funded with TopStep, so I'm funded with the 50k Express with TopStep, and these streams I'm trying to pass the 100k combine. If we can pass this, we're looking to level up then to 150k. So yes, we are funded, myself with TopStep and Mandela with FTMO. Okay, yeah, I'm not getting the movement that I want. I'm going to end the stream. Yeah, the price is not moving right, so yeah, just going to lock myself out. And yeah, thanks Arif. Yeah, we're giving it a go, right? We're trying our best, and we're trying to stream all our trades here live on YouTube. So yeah, thanks all for watching. Yeah, apologies, nothing happening this morning. I did want to get a buy position off 8 o'clock. We are getting a little bit of a reversal here, but I can't see it happening. So thanks all. I will see you all next week. Happy trading.